There is a place in this universe where the rules simply end. Where light itself is not fast enough to escape. Where time comes apart. You are about to fall into a black hole. Try not to look away.
From far away, it hides. You find it only by the way it bends the sky, the stars behind it stretched into arcs, the light of an entire galaxy bent into a ring around nothing.
Closer, and it shows itself. A disk of shredded matter, heated to millions of degrees, spiraling inward at almost the speed of light. This is the last fire before the dark.
Here, gravity plays with light. The side rushing toward you burns blue, the side falling away bleeds red. And from its poles, jets of energy erupt across light years of empty space.
Ahead waits the event horizon, a perfect sphere of no return. Cross it, and nothing you do, no signal, no light, not even you, will ever reach the outside again.
As you fall, time slows. To anyone watching from afar, you would hang at the edge, frozen, forever. But for you, the universe behind collapses into a single, shrinking point of light.
Inside, space and time change places. The singularity is no longer somewhere ahead of you. It is a moment in your future, and it is coming. Space stretches. And so do you.
Everything you ever were is drawn toward a point smaller than an atom, where our physics simply stops. What happens here, no one knows. No equation we have survives it.
Maybe this is where it ends. Or maybe, on the other side, something new begins to bloom, a fresh universe, a first light. And somewhere in that new sky, a shadow is already forming. And it all begins again.